Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where VPN is connected but it doesn't show connected and you cannot browse the internet, then please watch this video. Now first of all, we need to judge the internet connectivity. Go to this website fast.com and hit enter. Okay, and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If it is not, then you may face an issue with the VPN because VPNs reduce the speed of the internet. If it is already slow, then it will be reduced further. And the second solution will be to remove proxies from the browser. Now I'll explain you the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Okay. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open internet properties. Go to the connections tab, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. The next one is to reset the DNS settings. Now I'll tell you the right way to do it. You shouldn't be resetting the DNS settings. Don't just reset the network. It will reset everything, the WinSock, TCP/IP, everything. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, select advanced options, click on network reset, click on reset now and then click on yes. That is it. Your problem will be solved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.